The, Welcome back to another video of PPS by Jai Balaya series. Before we start this video, I have an announcement to make. The one topic in my life which I really don't like in any programming language is pointers. Okay, and all the people responsible today for me to make this video on pointers, I pray to God you all get loose motions. Okay, you all have loose motions. Let's start in the name of pointers. So what is a pointer? A pointer is nothing but a variable. Okay, a pointer is a variable created to point to an existing memory location. What is it? A pointer is a variable that is created to point to an existing memory block or memory variable. That is, let's say if we create a variable int a in our main memory RAM, okay, a memory block of 4 bytes or 2 bytes or 8 bytes based on the compiler, a block is created for the variable a. That is, whenever you update the value of a, that particular value will be stored in that memory location, and that location is named as a. Okay, this is an existing memory location. Now if you want to access this particular location using another variable instead of a, that kind of variable is called as a pointer, which can be used to point to the same memory location. And how to create it? You can create it using the star symbol. Okay, a pointer is created using the asterisk symbol star. Int p becomes a star p becomes a pointer, and integer shows that it is a pointer that can point to an integer variable. If we create something like float star q, this can point only to the floating variables. So how to assign this to assign star p to that particular location? We just have to write the name of the pointer is equal to and assign the address of a. P is equal to address of a, then p's pointer will start pointing to the same memory location. This is the concept. And second thing, if you make any changes like p is equal to 200 after assigning, okay, and if you try to print the value of a, using %d, you will see that the value of a is also printed as 200. Even if you print it using star p and %d, okay, even this particular thing will also print it 200, because both a as well as star p are pointing to the same address. This is the basic concept of a pointer. It's very simple. You just have to have a variable and you have to create a pointer, and then you have to assign using p is equal to address of a. You need not write star while assigning. Once assigned, whenever you want to perform any operation, you have to use star p. This is all about pointers. Okay, this is all about pointers. But now, since your syllabus has so many things that even we star programmers don't use it, we senior programmers also don't use pointers, but your Jntuh wants you people to learn a lot more, and they want to hurt my feelings from inside that it's forcing me to learn pointers. Now we'll explain each topic one by one, and I promise one thing: by the end of this video, if in case I start crying, it's not your mistake, it's because of the topic mistake. Okay, I really don't like pointers. And as I told the people who are responsible for making this video today, I hope you people get loose motions. Yes. So the next topic is inter-function communication. Inter-function communication using pointers. Okay, this is also called as call by reference. Call by reference. You people would have seen my functions video. If not, go back and see and return back. So if we have a function, say int add, and if we pass from the calling function, if we pass the address of the variable, say int a and int b, and if we receive them here in the form of pointers, any changes made to star p and star q here will also reflect in the actual parameters. You people should be knowing this. These are called as actual parameters, where we are passing the address of the block. We are exactly passing the location where a was stored. So any changes made by star p will also reflect here. This is inter-function communication, where the parameters of one function are sent to other function, and any changes made to that formal parameters will affect the actual parameters. If in case you don't understand this concept, go back, watch functions video and return. I won't be explaining this again. Just simple, any changes made to the parameter address will affect in the actual parameter. That is the concept. Why I am not explaining this again and again? Very simple. I hate pointers. So let's go. The next topic is pointers to pointers. Wow. Pointers to pointers. Your Jntuh wants you people to study pointers to pointers. That is, if we have a variable a, let's say we are having a variable a and we already have a pointer which is pointing to that particular variable a. Now what you need to do, you are supposed to create another pointer which is gonna point to this pointer. Fantastic. You're seeing this. We already have a variable a which has got some memory block. Now we gonna create a pointer which is gonna point to that memory block, but our systems are not happy. They want to create another pointer which will point to an existing pointer. Fantastic. And how to do it? It's very simple. First create a variable a, then create a first pointer that is gonna hold the address of a. Clear? Now you are supposed to create another pointer q. As I told, whenever it's a pointer, it is star q, so write star q. Okay, but the twist is, when you are pointing to another pointer, count in between this particular location where the data is stored and from your location, that is the pointer that you have created, you have to count how many intermediate pointers should we pass. Here it's just one intermediate pointer, that is star q can access a by going through this particular pointer p. So there is one pointer, so you have to add one extra star. So q becomes, my pointer to pointer variable looks like star star q. And how to assign? You have to write q is equal to address of p. This is how a pointer can be addressed to another pointer. Beautiful. What if I have my memory location here and I have a pointer here, I also have a pointer here, this is q, this is my r, and this is my s. These are all my pointers. So first pointer will have single star, my second pointer will have double star, my third pointer will have triple star, and my fourth pointer will have 4 stars. This is the concept of pointer to pointer. And how you assign? Q is equal to address of p, r is equal to address of q, s is equal to address of r, and so on. This is the concept of pointers to pointers. Beautiful. Drushti chiddam. Drushti tiyali pointers ki devda. Next topic. I swear to God, in my BTech, in my masters, in my entire life being 4-5 years as a programmer, I never learned pointers. Naku nachadu. But for you people, I am studying this. I am feeling sad from inside. The next topic is strings, structures, unions, files, which is very close to my heart. But the topic nak nachadamma. I don't know why I'm even teaching you people. I'm crying from inside. Yeah, this is the third time I'm teaching these pointers. It's sad. Okay, the next topic. I just want to finish this. Okay, but I want to finish it in a very good manner. Being a professional ethics, I have to teach it perfectly. See, all the videos, there is part 1, part 2, part 3. But for pointers video, it's just one video. You know why? I don't want to listen to this again. I'll just upload this and I'll end this. So next topic is passing an array to function. Now we have to pass an array to a function. Wow. Achha naina. So see here, before passing a function to another, assume we have an array. Okay, we have an array 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, array A of array of size 5 has this memory locations. So first thing is, once you have int a5, you can create a pointer for array, that is int star p, and you can assign the address as p is equal to a. This is how you assign a pointer to an array. And second type is p is equal to a of 0. You can either use this method or use this method. Using this, the pointer will be assigned to an array, and initially the star pointer will be pointing here. So if you printf percentage d and star p, you will always get this particular number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 being the content of the array. It will always print to 10 because array by default points to the base address location or 0th location. Clear? So now if in case I want to point to the next location, that is 10 is here, now I want to point to next address, you have to write p plus plus, increment the pointer. Don't write star p plus plus. If you do something like this, what is the content the star p is pointing? It is pointing to 10. So if you write star p plus plus, the value will become 11. That is, the changes will happen here. If you want to jump the pointer, you just have to write p plus plus. Now the pointer will start pointing to a of 1. Again, if you do p plus plus, it will point to a of 2. Okay, so all arithmetic operators can be performed on the pointer, and that topic is called as pointer arithmetic. Pointer arithmetic. That is, I don't even know the spelling of arithmetic. Wow, what a faculty I am. If you write p plus plus, the pointer address will be incremented. If you write p minus minus, the pointer address value will be decremented. In very simple, if this is my array, okay, and if my p is pointing here, p plus plus star p, if I write p plus plus, it will start pointing here. If I write p minus minus, it will start pointing here. You can also write p plus 10. That is the address of p plus 10. That is also allowed. So all arithmetic operators are allowed on pointers. Okay, so now let's come back to functions. Arrays unnayi kada, array, yeah. So now you people know how to increment the pointer and how to decrement the pointer. That is, if you write p plus plus, next memory address will be sent to pointer location. That is, pointer is moving forward to next element. P minus minus, we are coming back. Why am I even explaining you all this? We are coming back. Okay, we came back. So now the concept what you want to study is how to pass an array to a function. How to pass an array to a function. The concept is very clear. If this is your function where you want to pass your array, and this is your main where you have initialized your beautiful array, that is int a of 10, the simplest way to pass is write the function name, and just write the name of the array. Done. Just pass the name of the array. Write function name and name of array. Just name of array. That's it. Now it has to come here. As you people know, when you're passing a array, we need a pointer. So just write a pointer name int star p. That's it. So what does star p do? Star p will start pointing to the first location of a. Done. So whenever you print star p, a of 0 will be accessed. If you increment p plus plus, a of 1 will be accessed. P minus minus, again a of 0 will be accessed. Everything is same. So how you want to pass an array to a function? Just write the name and write star p. That's it. This is how you can pass a complete array of data to a function. I hope this is clear. Using pointers. The concept is pointers. So you have to make use of pointers. No option left. So this is how. Write the name of the array, pass it here, and receive it using a pointer. Now the pointer will start pointing to the first location of array, that is this particular location. Then increment, access all the variables. If you are here, decrement, and you can also access here. Two-way access is possible. And always remember, pointer is a very beautiful concept which I don't like. So if in case you have any doubts in pointers, come back and watch this video. Please don't come to me and say, sir, doubt undi sir, doubt undi sir. Akkade kodta. Pointer to array is done. Now, last concept. These people are not satisfied yet. Pointers to function. Beautiful. Pointers to function. Devuda. So the concept is very simple. This C programmers and our college is not, our university is not satisfied with your knowledge. So what they are saying is, if we have a function like this, if we have a beautiful function like this inside main, they don't want you people to call the function in simple manner like 10, 20. They don't want this to happen. They want you to call a function using a pointer. Now you have to create a pointer that will initialize the entire function itself. And how to do it? See, first this is the pointer. Okay, don't write like this. Now first see what is the data type of the function. The data type of the function is void, so your function data type becomes void. Then we need a pointer, so write the pointer in bracket. This is your pointer name. My pointer is star p. Again open a bracket, see what all the elements are there, what all the parameters it's gonna take. It's gonna take two integers. Write int comma int equals address of function name, add, and done. This is how you initialize a function pointer in simple. If I have int add int a function, okay, so inside my stupid main, I have to create a pointer of the type integer, and I have to give my pointer a name star p inside a bracket. Then open the bracket again, see what type of parameter it takes. It takes one parameter of int. Write int. This you initialize the pointer looking similar to your function is equal to address of add. This is how you initialize the function pointer. And how to call it, even more irritating. Write star p your function, bracket open, and pass the parameters 10. Done. This will help you call this function. So next time when you write star p 10, it will call this entire function, execute, and return back. This is how you initialize a pointer to function. I'll explain once again. I know you people didn't understand. If we have void add int a comma float b comma char c, this is my function. Oh my god, wow, see, even my pen's battery got over. 1 second, even my pen doesn't want me to teach pointers. 1 second, hold on. I hope the video is recording. Oh my god, I don't want the video to be shut down. I have to teach it again. I can't do it. 1 second, just give me a second. It's just gonna take 2 seconds to charge. Just hold on. You can just forward the video if you don't want to wait. It's totally fine. I won't be disappointed. But I have to charge this stupid thing. Is it working, ma? Just a second. Just forward the video. That's it. You people can just forward till where my pen started working. I'm waiting. I will wait for 60 seconds. So please forward 60 seconds. Yes, my pen started working. So if I have a function void add int a comma float b comma char c, okay, and how to create a pointer inside main, open the main. First write the data type of the pointer. Oh my god, I don't want to see all this thing again. First write the data type of the pointer, that is void. Then write your pointer name. It may be p, q, whatever it is. Open, see the first data type int comma next data type float comma next data type char, close. Okay, int float char close is equal to address of add, done. This is how you initialize a pointer to a function. And how to call the function, just write p star, then pass 10, 10.11, c, whatever you want. This will trigger your pointer. If in case you get an error saying that it's not possible, then put bracket like this also. It's also fine. Okay. This completes all the topics of your pointers. There is one last topic called as compatibility theory part. Please, for God's sake, study it yourself. So this completes the pointers, the part C of your Jntuh PPS. This is one topic that I don't like. Still, I tolerated my pain and I taught you this. If you people don't understand this, God bless. Please don't come to me. Okay? Jai.